Hi there, my name is Ajonga Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, we will learn how to move page number down in Microsoft Word. If you take a look at this page number right here, it is above the normal position. It is supposed to be somewhere around here. This is a problem because it takes a lot of the space on the page. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to move this page number from top here to the bottom here. Stay tuned to the end of the video. To move this page number from top to the bottom here, double click on the footer area to activate the footer. Now on the header and footer ribbon, move to the positions group, and on the position group you will find footer from bottom, which is set to 2.6 centimeters. What this means is that from the footer to the bottom is 2.6 centimeters. So for us to be able to move this page number from top to bottom here, we have to reduce the measurement, which is from 2.6 centimeters to the smallest measurement we can find. So to reduce the measurement, click on the down arrow button here and then reduce the measurement. So we click and the measurement starts reducing from 2.6 to 2.3 centimeters and the page number has moved down. We keep on clicking or reducing the measurement. Now we are at 1.9 centimeters and still our page number is still a little bit higher than the normal one. So we keep on moving, or we keep on reducing the measurement. So we keep on clicking, and at 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, 1.1 and 1 centimeters, it is still not okay. So we keep on reducing. So 0.9 centimeters and 0.8 centimeters. I think 0.7 centimeters is okay. So when you are okay and comfortable with the position of your page number, you can double click on the page to exit, or to click on close header and footer to exit. In either way you will exit. So I will double click on the page to exit. That is how we move page number down. That is it for this video. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to share, like and subscribe.